Bonjour! Did you know that you can save tons of time in the morning by going into this special hour? I'm gonna tell you more about this in this video. Hi, my name is Rike and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide. In this video I'm gonna talk about extra magic time. Extra magic time is this special hour early in the morning just before the park opens. And if you use it wisely and get the most out of it, you'll save a lot of time during the day, during peak hours. So the first thing I'm gonna talk to you about is that we've already made a video like this a couple of years ago. A couple of things have changed, a couple of things have come to us. If you want to rewatch that video of 2021, here you can do that, but this is the updated version. So first of all, I want to talk to you about is what is extra magic time. Extra magic time is the hour before the park opens for regular guests. This hour is especially for hotel guests and annual pass holders. It's usually in Disneyland Park and Hollywood Studios, but sometimes that may change. If you want to know which park is open when during your stay, always check the Disneyland Paris website. The first thing you need to do when planning for extra magic time is plan ahead. Make a list of the attractions and the meet and greets you want to do. This way it is clear what you want to do and you can get it done in that extra hour in the morning before the crowds come in. Come early. Yes, you have to come early to the early hours of Disneyland Paris because it will get really crowded very soon at the gates. The efficiency in Disneyland Paris is not everything, so if you are there like say 30 minutes beforehand, you get really easy into the check-in and through security and then go through the gate. Then you maybe have to wait for like 15 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, but then you can run straight to the thing you want the most, for example a character meet and greet, and you don't have to wait in line as long as you would usually do. So now let's go to the next tip. During extra magic time, it is your chance to do the popular attractions without a long line. The lines are actually very short. Think about Big Thunder Mountain or Buzz Lightyear. This is the one thing that we always advise when people ask us tips. Do extra magic time and go to the attraction that is mostly popular throughout the day. Big Thunder Mountain, Buzz Lightyear, Peter Pan Slide, Crush Coaster or Spider-Man Web Slingers. Those are the attractions with really long lines during the day, with maybe sometimes even over an hour. But the thing is, with doing the attractions, you have to communicate beforehand. You have to plan ahead. Because let's say someone in your party wants to do Big Thunder Mountain and the other one wants to do Buzz Lightyear, and then you're gonna hesitate. You have to decide beforehand, like, okay, I want to do Buzz Lightyear, let's go to Buzz Lightyear first, or Big Thunder Mountain. Don't worry, mostly you can do all the most popular attractions during that extra magic time, with the exception of Crush Coaster and Spider-Man Web Slingers, because they are very, very popular in Walt Disney Studios. For example, we were here this morning and now there's a line of 50 minutes and we did it in, I think, like 15 or 20 minutes tops. So use that extra magic time to do your favorite attractions. When using extra magic time, also a great tip for you to do immediately if you like to are meeting characters. And the lines are definitely shorter than throughout the day. In the morning you can meet most characters on Main Street. Think about Winnie the Pooh or Tigger or Goofy. Just check it out. It's not always communicated on the app, so you better just watch out and meet characters. There are also some meet and greet characters during extra magic time are spontaneous, so you always have that element of surprise. If you want to do that, just go for it. Get in line. The lines are not getting any shorter during the day. A thing to do perfectly during extra magic time is exploring the park now that crowds are less. You can explore all these hidden gems that you would probably haven't seen before while meeting the crowds. This is something that we normally would not recommend as much for guests who are only here like once every couple of years, but more for annual pass holders who are here a lot. But what I would recommend for guests that are here once in a while, take photos. This is the amazing opportunity to get a picture with the castle or the gazebo, with an attraction with less crowds. And if you want to get attractions during extra magic time instead of taking pictures, we also have made a video on Instagram locations, and we give you tips in this video on how to get the best pictures with the crowds on some places, so definitely go check that out. And that's it. Here you have these steps to get the most out of your extra magic time. So remember, plan ahead, arrive early, head straight to the popular attractions, do the meet and greet, take your pictures, and explore the park. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to book your own Disneyland Paris vacation, make sure to check out the links down below where we offer you the best deals to book your Disneyland Paris vacation. But for now, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in another video. Bye!